Hi guys, it's Ty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make candles. Everything that I use will be linked down below. I want to first start off by saying I am not a professional at this. I would love for that to change in the future, but as of now, it's just a cool hobby of mine. So first I'm going to show you guys the wax I used. I will post the link below as well. I really like the texture of this wax. It doesn't leave my fingers oily and it melts really nice and easy. It also reminds me a lot of Dippin' Dots ice cream, so that's a plus. Here's what I use to check the temperature of the wax once it's melted. You can find this pretty much anywhere, but I ordered mine online from Amazon. I got these cute little jars from Amazon as well. They came in a pack of 24 and are 4 ounces. I bought 2 different types of wicks, the traditional ones you normally see and the wooden ones that are eco-friendly. The traditional wicks come in 3 sizes, but since the jars I'm using are only 4 ounces, you will only see me use the small wicks in this video. I can make another video going more into detail with making candles using wooden wicks. Just let me know in the comments below if you would be interested in seeing that. These are all things used to hold the wicks in place until the wax cools back down. You will see later on in the video how they are used. Here are my warning labels. I ordered these because these are mandatory to have if I ever decided to sell or give them to anyone. Here are the scents I currently own. Apple cinnamon gives me big fall vibes. Lemon gives me a fresh, clean scent. Peach reminds me a lot of peach cobbler. And my favorite scent is the strawberry champagne. Spiced coconut milk is starting to grow on me as well. Lime gives me the same kind of vibes that lemon does. And vanilla is a classic you can never go wrong with. I have yet to use the rosemary, but I have high hopes that it will be one of my favorites as well. The scents left in the box were a little too strong for me, but I'm sure I'll find a nice use for them. So what you see here is me putting water in the pot, which will be used to melt the wax to a certain temp. I made a mistake and accidentally put too much water so the can wouldn't sit straight. You can see me struggling with that until I figured I should take more water out. In between stirring and waiting for the wax to melt, I decided I should put the wicks in place to kill some time. My wax has finally melted, and now that it's fully melted, we have to wait for it to reach a certain temperature. It can be anywhere between 160 to 180 degrees with soy wax. For this video, I waited for my wax to reach a temperature of 165. After reaching the correct temperature, you want to add in your scent and stir it well for at least 5 minutes plus. It's a must that you mix your scent well with the wax. You see me checking the temp again because the wax can't be poured into the candle jar until it reaches a lower temperature, which for me was 140 degrees. It is now time to pour the wax in, and I decided to start with 3 jars because I didn't melt enough to use all 6. And here is my finished product. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can tune into my new videos.
Dangerously in love with you, eternally, not just mentally, but physically I am feeling you.